Hey, hello everyone. मैं Kirit Patel, motivational speaker, corporate trainer, and founder of Abhivyakti Training Solutions. On the occasion of International Day of Women's and Girls in Science, I came up with few case studies who has created a history not only in India but worldwide. So let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very first. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family members. Let's get started without further ado. First of all, I wish all of you for International Day of Women's and Girls in Science. In 2015, US has declared today, which means 11th of February, as International Day of Women's and Girls in Science. And accordingly, we are celebrating 7th day of International Day of Women and Girls in Science. On this occasion, I came up with a few case studies who has created a history. So number one case study we are having is Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi. During her small age, she created a history, and how she created history that actually we are going to learn today. If you study her life, she is a real source of motivation, and today you also will inspire by know about her life. At that time India was suffering from child marriage, and due to that she got married at the age of 9, and not only that, she becomes a mother at the age of 14. But due to lack of resources and lack of medical science, lack of medical treatment, she lost her child. This event impacts a lot on her life, and she decided to go to US to learn the medical science so that she can prevent lots of childs, and she can prevent lots of mothers' life by losing their child. So she went to US and became a first woman medical program worldwide. Next case study we are having is Miss Janaki Ammal. Miss Janaki becomes a first scientist who has received a Padma Shri award. So let's learn what she did so that she got the Padma Shri award. You know what? She has planted a seed on agriculture revolutions that's called as green revolutions that we learned in our school. Next case study we are having is Kamala Sohonie. Kamala Sohonie has become India's first PhD degree holder as woman in science. She could convince her mentor, Mr. C.V. Raman. And last but not least, as a case study is Miss Kalpana Chawla. She becomes a first astronaut of Indian origin. She went to US and she becomes a member of NASA. And so number one case study was Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi, who has become a world's medical program worldwide. Another was Janaki Ammal, who has received first woman Padma Shri award in science. And next one was Kamala Sohonie. Kamala Sohonie was a first PhD degree in science, and last but not least, that was Kamala Chawla, who has become a first Indian origin astronaut. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family member. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very fast. So I will see you in the next video. Till the time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you so much for watching.